This is the FreeSpace DS16 loudspeaker family. These entry-level loudspeakers reproduce music and speech with smooth, natural sound. With wide, even coverage and frequency extension down to 80 Hz, they're well suited for moderate-level sound in retail, restaurant, hotel, and corporate settings. Our smallest and most compact FreeSpace loudspeaker has a single 2 1/4-inch driver and an easy-to-access tap wheel for 70-volt, 100-volt, and 8-ohm settings. DS16 loudspeakers are tested to meet most local code requirements and are backed by a 5-year limited warranty. In addition, DS16 loudspeakers share voicing and design aesthetics with other FreeSpace loudspeakers, giving you the flexibility to get the performance you want for different spaces and applications in the same system design. The DS16 surface mount model comes in black or white with an integrated wall mount bracket. And it's available in a variant for use outdoors and near water. There's also a flush mount version that converts easily to a pendant mount with the available kit. To drive DS loudspeakers, FreeSpace amplifiers simplify the installation with a range of models and options to fit nearly any situation. And we can even help you put it all together. With the Business Music System Designer, just enter your room dimensions and it does the rest. Discover FreeSpace DS16 loudspeakers. Get the performance you want with the design support and easy installation you need. For product specs, accessory information, and more helpful videos, visit pro.bose.com.